You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. So I painted this board and I was just playing with it kind of, and then I thought, you know what, I'm going to get out those IOD molds. I thought, you know what, let me fill in this background with a bunch of tiny little balls. That would look really cool, like little pearls, until I put one on the board. Instantly thought about, I need to clean the rabbit pens. Well, homeboy needs to clean the rabbit pens. Now, yeah, sure, they're cute, but they're messy little buggers. I'll tell you what, leave her out for a minute and she will make a big old mess. Look at her kids among their nose. And then they're going to take a nap. And they're going to sleep all day. And then look at this guy. Look at him. He's a cute little, grumpy little fella. Yes, you are. And he'll growl at you. He's a grumpy little boy. And then Miss Daisy over here, she's always like, you got any snacks? You got any snacks? Hey mom, you got any snacks in that bag? I'll give you a kiss if you give me some snacks. Always wanting food. Up here's Sam. Hey Sam. Sam. Hey Sam. Mr. Antisocial. Let's go talk to Chestnut. Hey Chestnut. Hey. And I said, hey. They eat all the time. I hope you got lots in savings, because if you got a rabbit, you're going to need to feed them. And Beowulf, he's like this little ball of chaos. He's crazy, man. Crazy. Feisty little guy. Back to the project. So I put a border and it cracked, but then I covered it with leaves. How about that? And then I'm going to go ahead and paint it with Debi's Design Diary DIY paint. You know I love that stuff. And then I'm going to come in and very lightly add some pennies from heaven. And I'm going to buff it out with my finger. I'm kind of dry brushing it on. I just want to add a little extra bling. Then I added some dark and decrepit. I wanted to kind of darken the background. Added one coat of Big Top to seal it. And yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. What do y'all think? Little happy bunnies. Little happy birdies. Oh, pretty flowers. Our rabbits are mostly rescue rabbits. Before adopting a rabbit, please consider that these are indeed live animals and will be living with you night and day for 7 to 10 years, maybe longer, requiring constant feeding, cleaning, and healthcare maintenance. Just being cuddly and soft helps. If you'd like to see more bunny videos, check out my YouTube channel, Homeier Chronicles.